Garden Angel Sean here up at the greenhouse in Maudsley, and today we're ready to prick out our tomatoes. We've propagated these tomato seedlings in our 100-watt heated Vitopod propagator. We are potting on our green tiger tomatoes today. You'll need pots, a dibber and soil. Remove any lumps in the soil. Fill the pots with soil. Using the dibber, make a space for your seedling. Loosen the soil around the seedlings and gently lift out and place into its own pot. Gently press the soil down around the seedlings' roots, leaving the leaves above the soil. Give the seedlings a generous water. And then place them back into the Vitopod propagator. If you'd like to find out any more information about the Vitopod, go to greenhousesensation.co.uk. See you later.